Yo, hello guys, back with me again, vorhesz, and yeah, I'm gonna make the series tutorial how to ride a scooter for beginners. So if you want to ride a scooter, you can follow this series and don't forget to subscribe so you didn't miss out my new videos. And this is my scooter. It's basically a Honda. You see the logo here, Honda, and this is called the Beat. The Beat, B-A-T. AT means automatic transmission, if I didn't get wrong. So this is PGM FI fuel injection, and yeah, this is it. This is my scooter. It's a entry-level scooter, only 108 cc, if I didn't forget. It has two brakes. The front brakes has the disc, and the rear brake is a drum. So this is a very basic scooter. It's light and easy to use. The feature is very simple. You can see in there. This is the electric starter, and this is the lights. I use the LED. I'm changed it to LED so it will better in the night. This is the horn, and this is the turning signal. So this is the throttle. This is the one that can twist backwards and the one on the left, it's just a regular, it's no use, it's just a regular handle. And this is the on the left, this is the rear brake leverage, and this is the front brake leverage that has the disc and has the two mirror in here. And this is the key. Let's see, this is the key. It's like this. It has Honda logo in the keys, and this is ignition on, off, push to lock, and this is the key shutter, so it will shut the keyhole, and you only can open it with this hole in here. Put it there and turn it right to open, so your key will get in the position. And yeah, that's all. That's the basic of the scooter. Yeah, it's really important for beginners to know your scooter. And this video is I'm explaining all the feature on my scooter. It's a very entry-level scooter. It's for beginners use, but yeah, it can get you anywhere for the commuter. And yeah, I have riding this scooter for like 5 to 6 years, and I'm really happy. It's really dependable, reliable. I can say it has 9% or more on the street than that it's on the surfaces. So yeah, this is a very dependable entry-level scooter. It's cheap and easy to use, and you can see in this section This is the fuel level. It's E for empty, F for full, and this is the speedometer. That I think I broke the cable because I rarely see the speedometers, and that's the kilometers. It's also affected by this cable. It's like 2 years ago. It's 29,000, and this is the lights on here. This is for the beam, the high beam. This is the turning signal. It's only give information that you are turning on the turning signal. It's the green lights. It didn't show you did you keep it to the left or the right turning signal. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. That's the beginning of the series. I'll introduce my scooter to you, and hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video is helpful, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.